Hello everyone, welcome back. Finally, a 2023 Mix QK Super Treasure Hunt has been revealed. A Volvo 240 Drift Wagon in a sparkling green paint job with a 10-spoke white wheels on front and complete black wheels on rear. A Hotwheels Boulevard Mix R case has been released. You can check a complete unboxing episode on Ministry of Diecast YouTube channel. Check out the links in the description. A 2012 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series. A 1977 Holden Torana A9X. A Toyota AE86 Torino Sprinter. A Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 4. A 1991 GMC Cyclone. Let's check out a complete new models by Matchbox from various lines. So check out the sneak peek of the cars. A 2023 Matchbox moving parts number 26 out of 54. A 2019 Ram ambulance. The die-cast metal body with opening rear die-cast metal doors. The inkjet deco sports the grille with tempo deco on the sides. The opening rear doors show the detailed rear interior and a cab space. The Matchbox fire department theme of red and light orange carries over for the recently released convoy set with the Matchbox original design of a MBX megaton fire truck and an international ambulance. Let's check out a Tanamac new upcoming models. A continuation of an epic RWB collection is one of the fifth casting, which is the 997. A RWB 997 features an extra wide rear and rims, so it's the best one yet. So pre-order this RWB 997 Philadelphia now with the authorized resellers. Pre-order this rare limited edition GT Silver Metallic Porsche Cayman GT4 RS. With the resellers, only 1500 units will be produced. Developed by Mini Champs Official and available exclusive through resellers, channels and web stores. A 1:64 scale version is now available for pre-ordering via authorized resellers. The retro vibe Hello Kitty livery Audi through the streets of Macau last year and gave a spectator something exciting to look at. This Audi R8 LMS Evo 2. A Porsche 935 K3 with the always popular Jaguar Mystery livery. Pre-order it now via authorized resellers. For those familiar with the racing liveries in Europe, chances are that you would have seen a top tip logo before, especially on Lancia car rallies. Top tip cars all have an orange and green theme, and this Ferrari F40 LM is no different. So pre-order this iconic livery of F40 now with the authorized resellers. Retro two-tone Mitsubishi Stereo Turbo and an interior to match it. Pre-order this vintage look in stereo now with the authorized resellers. The car represented an important and memorable milestone in a history book, having a brand behind a winning car at home race in Macau. On top of that fantastic livery designed by John Siebel. It will come with a special booklet featuring pictures and results of the race. So pre-order this 1:64 scale model of a AMG GT3 by Craft Bamboo Racing now with the authorized resellers. X Car Toys presents a Suzuki Swift Generation 1, color of a car red, yellow and green, material made from diecast. This model is released and available with sellers. Another model by X Car Toys presents a Suzuki Wagon Generation 1, color of a car blue and white, material made from diecast. This model is released and available with sellers. A Hotwheels H6 Generation 3, color of a car high-grade grey, nebula grey, UDI blue and a police car, material made from diecast. This model is released and available with sellers. And the last car for today's episode is by X Car Toys presents a Tank 300 Off-Road Edition 2023. Color of a car orange, grey, black and sword. Material made from diecast. This model is released and available with sellers. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for further more updates. See you next time.